Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Python on Windows. The first step is to open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Python and hit enter. Click on the official Python website, which should be the first result, python.org. Once you're on the website, hover over the Downloads tab. You'll see the latest version of Python available. Click on the button to download it. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location to save the installer and click Save. After the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see the Python installer there. Double-click the installer to run it. When the installation window appears, it's very important to check the box that says Add Python.exe to path at the bottom. This step is crucial for making sure Python works correctly from the command line. Now click Install Now. The installation process will begin and may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll see a Setup with Successful message. You can now close the installer. Now let's verify that Python has been installed correctly. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type Command and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type Python and hit Enter. If you see the Python version number and the 3 > signs, it means Python is successfully installed and ready to use. Congratulations!